Hey friends, if you wish to find file and folder ownership information using command prompt, then please watch this video. So open command prompt. Okay, you'll open it. Now, we need the path of the file or folder. I can select a file, I can select the folder, the procedure is the same. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Empty the run field. Pull the folder till the run window and then delete the codes and then copy the path. Then go to command prompt, type cd space and then the path, cd space and then the path. Hit enter. Now you will be inside that folder, and now you need to type a certain command which is dir space /q and then space /ad. Okay, paste it here, hit enter, and then you are done. It gives you all the information, how many bytes are free, etc, etc, the serial number and everything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.